Affiliate marketing tips that will help your business prosper. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make a little extra money. In fact, lots of people are making a full-time living from in this way. This video can explain to you how affiliate marketing works and how you can put it to work to benefit you. If one affiliate program doesn't work for you, try another one. The various programs are not all the same. They offer different products, services, and payment. Some allow more freedom and flexibility, such as color and design, to help match your site better. Finally, you can even see if your favorite vendor or store has its own affiliate program. Mix and match until you find a program that fits your needs. The best way to make an affiliate marketing website at the most affordable price is to build it yourself. If you don't already know it, you want to learn some basic HTML. Even if someone else designs the site for you, you want to learn basic HTML so you can add hyperlinks at your leisure. A lot of affiliate marketing is touch and go, so you have to remember, never to be set on any one formula or any one method. You will want to experiment with different banners, different content, different text, and other methods to see which ones works best for you and your overall sales numbers. Look for affiliate programs that offer high commission rates. Some programs offer 100% or higher commission on the products they sell through you. Don't dismiss items like this as scams. These programs end up making more money through the follow-up sales, so it's worth it to them to pay out high commissions in order to gain a new customer for the long term. To gain the trust of readers you are marketing to, only promote quality products. When a reader sees you promoting products known to be good, they will find it easier to believe what you say about products they're unfamiliar with. Promoting quality products will also encourage readers to listen to your opinion in the future. Affiliate marketing can be something that you can make work for you. By following the tips in the video above, you can realize a nice income from the comfort of your own home. Obviously, you can't expect instant results, but if you are in it with a long-term view, you can be successful at it. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.